What is up, you guys? Welcome back to your average gent. My name is Evan. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about the winter essentials that you absolutely need in order to survive the harshest winter that you will ever experience. So before that, I'm gonna unbox something that I just got recently, the Timberland 6-inch premium boot. So I got this pair of boots a few days ago in Chicago. It retails at about 190 USD. And if you're in Singapore, it is about 299 Singapore dollars. So this is the box with the Timberland logo right here, and the sizing, the model, and this is pretty much it. So without further ado, here we go. So this is pretty much it, a pair of Timberland boots, and there's nothing else in the box, so let's toss it away. So my suggestion if you want to get a pair of winter boot is go to the physical store itself, because if you never tried it on yourself, you can't really get your sizing right. So unless you really know your size, or if you have tried on these boots before, I don't suggest you getting a pair of boots online. And another tip is that, you know, some people, they tell you that a leather shoes will expand once you wear them, so when you first got them, you should get them a little bit tight. So my suggestion is that when you try on the boots, try to make sure that the boots fits you just right, not tight, because actually the leather won't really stretch that much. So you really want to get it fit your feet really nicely when you first got them. Second tip is when you are getting a pair of winter boots, make sure that you try the boots on with a pair of winter socks, because winter socks are actually much thicker than your regular socks. So if you try it on the boots with your regular socks, and when you put on your winter socks, you might not be able to fit in the boot, or the boot might be too tight for you. So the first winter essential that you gotta have is a pair of warm winter boots. And it doesn't have to be Timberland, I just happen to like their heavy and rugged look. Winter essential number 2, thermal underwear, or simply thermals. It shouldn't need any explaining, this is your basic layer of defense against the cold weather. It should lightly hug your body without being too tight. I got mine from Uniqlo, the Ultra Warm Heat Tech, and it is doing a pretty good job. It is important to have fitting thermals so that it is easier for you to layer more clothes over it. For example, a sweater or a fleece jacket. Alright? Winter essential number 3, you gotta have a down jacket. So what is a down jacket? It is essentially a jacket that is filled with down feathers, and this will keep you warm in below freezing temperatures. And most down jackets are water resistant or waterproof, so it will protect you when it is snowing heavily outside as well. Now, down jackets can get a little bit pricey, and it is not exactly the most stylish item, but it is absolutely a necessity if you want to survive the brutal winter. I got mine again from Uniqlo, and it cost around 180 Singapore dollars, about 135 USD, and I actually really like it, especially with this fur thing around the hoodie. Uniqlo, you gotta sponsor your boy. Anyway, I recommend getting a down jacket with a hoodie because it can get really handy when it's very windy outside or when it's snowing heavily. When the weather is getting warmer and below freezing temperature, you could actually get away without a down jacket and maybe just throw on a fleece jacket, a bomber jacket, or if you want to be a badass, a leather jacket. Winter essential number 4, a nice thick scarf to keep your neck warm and possibly your face too. Winter essential number 5, lip balms. You gotta have lip balms. When I went to Chicago for the weekend trip, I actually forgot my lip balms, and my lips just got destroyed by the dry cold weather and the harsh wind. It is painful. So lip balms, do not forget it. Bonus winter essentials that you might want to have: a beanie, winter gloves, hand warmers, thermal socks, and wind pants. If it is not too windy, wearing a pair of jeans over your thermals is pretty much enough. Alright, that's it for this week's video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. And as always, I will see you guys next week. So what I'm wearing now are thermals, a fleece jacket, this is my scarf, down jacket, and pants, and this is my boots. Yep, this is what I wear every day. It's about negative 7 degrees Celsius, about 20 Fahrenheit.